plug here, this could then trigger or pass on to our denials management automation that we have, which will draft an appeal letter. So as this one actually collected information with regards to the denials, it could get this account going into that next automation, which would trigger that, and you could have an appeals letter turned around within the same day for this kind of case. But I'll focus on this one alone. So from there, again, just a little more interpretation. We're saying this needs escalation, and then just showing that this was a medium. This guy, again, there's just that evaluation of risk, or how important this one is. So this just kind of shows you some of that insights there. So at this point, we have decisions. We can approve this information and submit it back so that all this gets posted into those systems of record and noted there. So this information will not just live here; it will still live in your applications. So with that, this is just an example of that one scenario. I'm going to go ahead and just show another example that we have of a different status that can be brought back. So let's see if I go to this one. Okay, so in this case, we're seeing here that we actually now have a status of paid. So we want to know now what additional information has been provided with that amount, with that comments, if there is any other follow-up information or anything else needed there. Again, still the same claim summary type information, who the payer was, the amount for that claim there, and then again, the payer response here. So this one we know this payment is issued according to the member's benefit plan. It's an approved amount. Reflecting in network contract rates are applicable. So as we see here, this is going to be a successful outcome. With this might be, again, something that would have been caught much in advance than a person would have. So now this can at least be updating the EHR, updating your accounting systems to know that a payment should be expected for this claim. So we know it's a very simple process, so to say, but it's one that seems to be a misstep from so many other solutions out there. We know there's a lot of claim scrubbers. We know there's a lot of technology around successfully or securely transmitting claim information, but there was always this gap around that follow-up. It's always requiring someone to log into several portals, always having to keep track of all these different account numbers. Even the electronic submission processes don't always bring back enough